Quiz on solar system. Which of the following is the largest planet of the solar system according to size? Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. The right answer is Jupiter. Find the jovial planets among the following: Mars, Earth, Venus, Uranus. The right answer is Uranus. Which planet in the solar system has the highest density? Earth, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter. The right answer is Earth. Which of the following part of the sun is visible at the time of eclipse? Photosphere, corona, chromosphere, core. The right answer is corona. Which of the following part of the sun is visible to humans? Photosphere, corona, chromosphere, core. The right answer is photosphere. The different group of stars is known as constellations, celestial bodies, asteroids, comets. The right answer is constellations. Which of the following constellation consists of 7 main stars? Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Hercules, Lyra. The right answer is Ursa Minor. The pole star is North Star, South Star, East Star, West Star. The right answer is North Star. Which of the following planet has ring around it? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, all the above. The right answer is all of the above. The distance of Earth from the Sun is 100 million, 150 million, 200 million, 250 million. The right answer is 150 million. The correct ascending order of distance of planets from Sun is Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. The right answer is Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. Which of the following planet is considered as Earth's twin? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. The right answer is Venus. Which of the following planet is nearest to the Sun? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. The right answer is Mercury. Which of the following is called dwarf planet? Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Pluto. The right answer is Pluto. The diameter of Moon as compared to Earth is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 3. The right answer is 1 by 4. The following planet is known as blue planet: Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth. The right answer is Earth. In how many days the moon moves around the Earth? 26, 25, 27, 28. The right answer is 27. The moon takes how many days to complete one spin? 26, 27, 28, 29. The right answer is 27. The majority of asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, Earth and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, Saturn and Uranus. The right answer is Mars and Jupiter. The following planet takes maximum time for one spin on its axis: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The right answer is Saturn. The following planet takes maximum time for one spin on its axis: Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Uranus. The right answer is Mercury. The following planet takes maximum time for one orbit around Sun: Neptune, Mercury, Saturn, Uranus. The right answer is Neptune. Which of the following planet takes minimum time for one orbit around Sun? Mercury, Earth, Mars, Venus. The right answer is Mercury. Which of the following is example of celestial body? Sun, Moon, stars, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Which of the following is true about Sun? It is made up of gases. It has its own heat and light. Sun is a star, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.